Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Vauxhall Vivaro van build part 12. Okay, so we're almost at the end or near the end of the completion of the camper van build, but I wanted to talk to you about awning rails, and I'm going to put an awning rail on my van today and I'm going to share that with you. Now last time, the awning rail that I actually put on my last Vauxhall Vivaro was a vamoose rail, which you would drill and screw and stick with Sikaflex, if you like, onto the side of the van at the top. This time I've gone with a different company called Lightning Leisure Limited, which you can find on eBay. I noticed that the price of the vamoose rails have shot up, and they're around about £225, which seems a bit steep for an awning rail. So I've gone with this rail, which is less than half that price, and I'm going to fix it today. Now, what you wouldn't have seen is that when I put the solar panels on my roof, I used the Unistrut rails as part of the system to be able to put my solar panel on the roof. The idea today is to put the awning rail underneath the Unistrut rail and attach that to the framework of the roof on top. Now, the rail I've purchased already comes pre-drilled, and those drill holes are actually for a Volkswagen T5. I'm going to modify that today in order for it to fit the Vauxhall Vivaro. Part of the awning rail system will be used with a awning tour drive away awning, and in order to be able to drive away you need to use a Cador strip, and I've got one here to show you if you've not already seen them. They come with a 6mm beading that you will attach firstly to the one side of the awning rail, and then the other one will fit to a plastic railing like this, and you will then slip that on. Part of your awning will actually have another 6-bead rail, which you will then slip into here in sections. So in other words, you're able to take this part of the beading out and the strips, and that will then allow you to drive away your van without actually taking down your tent. Hence why we're putting an awning rail on the van today. Okay, so this is the awning rail I've purchased. Like I said, it comes with a 6mm to 8mm beading. This is the Cador strip, which I've just put in just to show you how it works. And you would attach this top part obviously to the van, then you put the strip through it when you put your awning on, and then what you would then do is use your figure of 8 plastic strip, which then goes on and slides on like so. That's the Cador strip done. I'll take that out now. I'll just show you, this is actually a 285 length awning rail, and like I said, it's already pre-drilled, so those holes I don't need. I've actually marked on the rail where I do need, so I'm now going to drill an 8mm hole for the 8mm bolts, and I'm going to put it on the roof. Let's see how I get on. Okay, so let's explain what I've done here. I've taken the rail and I've drilled in 2 holes here, and I'm not sure whether you can see, maybe I'll just see, it's part of the actual framework of the Vauxhall Vivaro, and what you do is actually you use one of these. These are actually designed for the Unistrut rails, and what you will do is put them underneath the bracket itself, just down over here, and then over the top you put a nice size washer, and an 8mm bolt which goes through, and that keeps it nice and solid. That's not going anywhere. So that's what I've used here, and that goes right the way along, and then with the Unistrut bracket is, and then going over to the first solar panel. I've still got the other solar panel to put on, but I'm going to have to put that on when I get back off holiday. That is the awning rail. I've not even cut it, to be honest with you. I've just left it as is, so it goes right the whole length of the van itself. Now, as I said, you put the cable strip inside here, just inside here, and then you would put the next strip in, the figure 8 strip, in order to be able to put your awning on. That is the awning rail. With no drilling as regards into the bodywork itself. You're using the brackets of the framework of the Vauxhall Vivaro. There you go, and you're just bolting them in. Like I said, this already came pre-drilled, and therefore, I mean, I'm not that concerned, to be honest with you, because then, I mean, the water's just going to drain out of there and onto the roof and then drain through the gully, so that's absolutely fine. Absolutely chuffed to bits with that. That's gone on really easy. Okay, brilliant.